This is the Arrowhead brass PK9014 stem assembly for the horizontal and vertical 490 series faucets. Now, all the stems will come complete with the bonnet nut, the nylon washer, brass square, the rubber seat washer, and the Phillips head screw. And then you've got your packing inside of the bonnet nut. Now, measuring the total length of these stems, they're measured the same way. So all the stems measured the exact same. We're going to measure from tip to tip, from where the handle connects, all the way down to the Phillips head screw that is securing that rubber seat washer in. Now, easiest way we found to do it, just take your tape, hook it to that screw, which I'm going to try to get it in the camera. So to the screw, all the way down to where the handle connects. This one's going to be right at about 17¼ inches. Now let's see if I can get it in the camera here. And once again, this is the Arrowhead brass PK9014 stem assembly.